Hey guys, welcome to the help screen. This is how to fix version 2 old in COD Mobile. So guys, if you encounter this issue, first thing that you will do is just go to your Google Play Store and just search for Call of Duty and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. This play button will be an update button if they have an update. And if you are on the iOS, same thing, just go to the App Store and make sure to update the application. And guys, you can also enable auto update here on the top left corner of the screen, the three dots. So guys, by enabling this, it will prevent you from having an error in the future. So guys, the second method is just go to your settings and go to applications and go to Call of Duty. And from here guys, you can clear your data or you can clear cache. This way guys, it will reset your Call of Duty and this will solve your problem. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!